My name is Heather Barthel, and I've been coming to Marc Adams since like 2004. I've taken all kinds of classes here. I tend to avoid the kind of big furniture kinds of classes, although one year I did do a walnut rocking chair with Brian Boggs. That was great, a ladder back chair. But usually it's like turning classes. Alan Leeser taught me how to turn, and he's the most gifted teacher I've ever had for turning. So I keep coming back for his classes whenever I can. Recently, Jörg Sundqvist, who's here for magical chip carving this week that I'm here. He's become a great friend, not just a fantastic teacher. And I've learned so much about design from him. So without Marc Adams School, I mean, really my life would be very different. So even though I'm not a professional woodworker and I'm not even very active all the time in woodworking, it's really impacted my life. So I appreciate everything that the school's done.